Which animal is stronger? Test your jungle power.
Elephant or giraffe? Who's the land giant? It's the elephant. 10 tons of unstoppable muscle. Lion or bear? Who would win? It's the bear. One swipe can knock down a bull. Cheetah or leopard? Who's stronger, not faster? It's the leopard. Can drag prey 3 times its weight up a tree. Gorilla or lion? Who wins the muscle match? It's the gorilla. 10 times stronger than a man. Did you get them all right? Subscribe to Quiz Brain Kids for more animal battle quizzes.